of the Milk's presentation. We are the group 2 and we chosen the learning competency understand, which is identify the words with different function by naming and describing words. Which means we need to identify the words first and know their different functions, but exactly by naming them and describing each words.
Now let's have to our next, which is remembering. So I choose the define the words with different function because so as the teachers we ask the student kung paano nila malalaman pa yung topic na tinuro natin sa nakaraan. So, like for example is now. So, tatanungin natin ang ating student kung ano nga ba yung natutunan nila doon sa tinuro natin. Doon pa lang, malalaman natin sa mga bata kung may natutunan nga ba sila doon sa tinuro natin. So, yun na nga yung example ko now, which is name person, things, animal, etc.
After understand, let's step up to apply. And we choose the word demonstrate. Like example, the word now, and we have different types of noun, which is place, things, and etc. So doon po, hindi lang basta natin na-understand yung tinuturo natin sa mga bata, kundi na-apply din ito kung paano na gagamitin yung noun. At i-demonstrate na yun sa pamamagitan ng pag-draw or pagsulat ng different types.
In analyze, we choose compare by naming and describing words to accommodate what learnings we need to compare and what learnings needs.
Using compare words, mas nauunawaan ng mga bata ang pagkakaiba ng lugar, tao at bagay. In a better way, we choose select naming and describing word with their proper function. Dito, magsaselect tayo ng isang word na ibibigay natin sa mga estudyante upang malaman natin kung kaya ba nilang gumamit ng isang word sa tamang pangungusap.
So, after the evaluate, we step up to the last part and the top one, which is the create. So, in create, we use the word construct. So, in constructing, naming, and describing words,
Constructing words using a proper functions. So as a teacher, kailangan natin sa last part, yung mga students natin is makapag-construct na ng mga words or the proper naming and describing para sila makapos sila sa isang sentence or sa pangungusap ng mga tamang paggamit ng noun, verbs, etc. So, at the last part, ito po yung mga ginamit namin, which is from the remember, we choose the define, the identify, the demonstrate, compare, and select.